Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yohimbine HCL Easy Guide. Begin by verifying your baseline health and medications, then choose a low starting dose and observe how you react over several days. Track timing, meals, and symptoms in a simple log. If adverse effects occur, pause use and consult a clinician. This approach minimizes risk and helps you find an effective, individualized protocol with safe progression. In this video, I will explain how to use Yohimbine HCL Easy Guide. Practice conservative dosing by starting low and increasing only after clear tolerability, spacing doses appropriately. Pair dosing times with your goals and avoid heavy meals when you need predictable absorption. Keep a consistent routine for best comparisons, and reduce or stop if heart rate or anxiety spikes. Being methodical lets you evaluate benefits clearly while protecting your well-being and comfort. In this video, I will explain how to use Yohimbine HCL Easy Guide. Quick recommendation. I find a durable water bottle useful when monitoring supplements and workouts, so consider the Owala bottle for convenience and hydration. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Yohimbine HCL Easy Guide. Time doses deliberately, allowing adequate windows to assess effects and avoid stacking unintended stimulation. Check vital signs regularly and note any changes, especially when increasing dose or adding other supplements. Prioritize sleep, hydration, and steady nutrition while experimenting. If concerning symptoms occur, discontinue use and seek medical guidance promptly to ensure safety, while exploring potential benefits thoughtfully and responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.